Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to use our e-learning platform here on Builderall. So what you're going to do here is from the home screen, just click Create Course. You can pick one of the categories that you've already created or add a new one. And now here I'm going to click this. We can open the course, embed it or share it, duplicate it, edit the contents, as well as delete. This is where you'll find all of the configurations you'll need here. Information, you'll be able to edit the information about your course here. Pretty self-explanatory, all of these options kind of speak for themselves. Modules, here you can create a module. I'll show you kind of what that looks like. Then when I go to click here for the editing of the module, I can set some of the settings here that are needed. Here I can create lessons to go within my modules. I'll make sure I have the right module selected. And then I select here what I'm going to use as the lesson contents, as well as some of these settings here. I can create test questions here. So the tests will be based on the modules that you select. If I click add question, I'll pick the module. It could be the final test or the module test that I have already created. Multiple choice, true or false, short answer. And for this, I'll just do the multiple choice. Make sure that you select the correct response here. You can add some cheats or some help for the students if you need to, as well as the value of the points, which I'll make 5. You can always add more questions here. And if you edit the certificate, this will be what they get when they pass the course, or pass the test, I should say. Now I can see all the users that have used my e-learning, my course here, will appear here. FAQs, I can add some FAQ questions such as, I passed the test, what do I do now? I got a 70% out of 75. Does that count? Something like that. Something that could help the students realize what they need to do to pass. The theme, you can pick from one of our templates here. I'll just choose this one because I like the black background. I can edit the language for my course here, publish to the e-learning community, as well as add some code extensions if I have them. Okay, so that's basically everything for creating a course. Here you can see test results by student. Here you can see all the teachers and the number of courses that they are teaching. Here you can set custom translations for words that appear in the content. And now to apply your course to your website, you'll click this button again, click Share Embed. Copy this iframe. You notice you can also share with Facebook or Twitter. And if I go to the Pixel Perfect Site Builder, go to Apps and HTML, I would add an HTML box here, make sure that it is large enough to contain the course. Right click, edit, get rid of this placeholder and paste in my iframe. And now it will display my course. All right, guys, so that's everything you need to know about e-learning. I hope you guys have success with this application that we have. And of course, have a great day.